The power of character in Islam. Imagine a world where good character can change lives and resolve conflicts. It begins with us. Character forms the foundation for a fulfilling life, vital in Islam and essential for healthy relationships. Let's explore a profound hadith that emphasizes the significance of good character in Islam. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The best among you are those with the best character." This hadith highlights character's profound importance in Allah's eyes and in our